Hi everyone from Girls Inc. My name is Laura Kristoff and I'm a professor of nutrition at Holyoke Community College, and I just wanted to do a little review of the work that my students did this semester in order to address some of the needs of Girls Inc. So the first item that we have made available for you is our resource guide. So the students made sure to read through your questionnaire, which all of you answered so well. Thank you so much for sharing that information. And they went through and saw some major themes and then found some resources that people from Girls Inc. could look into in order to address some of the issues that you're facing and that your girls are facing. So we start with some very general links, which are, the USDA dietary guidelines and Choose My Plate. These are updated every few years, so if you have these links, you'll be able to see what the most updated information is. And then as we move down, you can see that there are some information that are teen specific, information around eating disorders and disordered eating, some information around habit shifts and starting with some small changes. And then there are some things on food groups and different lifestyles as well that you can take a look at, as well as body image. So these resources can be used, at any time. One thing to note, this Healthy Bodies curriculum is actually a full curriculum that is geared towards young people looking at weight management and weight loss and healthy body weight without any sort of weight focus, but with more of a health focus, which is kind of an up and coming great way of looking at, addressing our obesity epidemic in children. And so this could be a really nice way to actually incorporate some curriculum surrounding that, as I know that that was one of your interests that you had put in your questionnaire. Now, the other guide that we put together is a guide of actual food options. When we had someone visit from Girls Inc., she let us know that, some of the snack offerings, some of the food offerings, are due to a limited availability of things. And so my students put together some balanced breakfast, lunch, snack meals, and dinner meals that could be used, in a pinch with relatively few ingredients and relatively small amount of meal prep. So I just want to show how, we organize this, and the little meal ideas and snack ideas are relatively self-explanatory. So you can see the C, P, and HF. When we talk about balanced meals in Nutrition 101, we really talk about having a healthy carbohydrate, which is the C, a healthy protein, which is the P, and a healthy fat, which is the HF, as well as some sort of fruit or vegetable to really enhance the fiber content of that meal. So as you can see here, there are some pretty simple meal ideas for breakfast, some pretty simple meal ideas for snack. Now with snacks, we want to make sure that we have at least 2 out of 3 of the C, the P, and the HF, the carb, the protein, and the healthy fat, along with making sure that we have some sort of fruit or vegetable in most of our snacks. So these could be really nice ideas to give to the girls, in afternoons that are pretty hectic, and most of them are pretty cost effective as well. And then we have some dinner ideas and lunch ideas as well. And these dinner ideas are great. They're very quick. I know a lot of people were experiencing a time crunch, as you had written in your survey. And so some of these can be done in, somewhere between 5 and 15 minutes. So these might be great things for you to use with your families, or maybe even serve to the girls as, a mini meal or a snack in the afternoon. So those are our 2 guides. I hope that they are helpful for you as you continue on doing the great things you're doing, and take care of yourselves as well as you are being great educators and role models for the girls. Thanks so much for all you do, and thanks for allowing us to read through your questions and concerns related to nutrition so we could provide a guide to help address some of those needs. And feel free anytime to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, or if you'd like to collaborate further with our nutrition classes here at Holyoke Community College. Thanks so much.